Hi, it's me again with Laser Tips and Tricks, and I just shared this box on my CorelDRAW file share page. So if you'll just search CorelDRAW file share under Facebook, I call this a cut box because I made it for cutting out small parts. And I've had one for a couple of years, and I've used this. This is only about 2 inches deep. And I was thinking about I need to put something down here, and this is a little concerning that one, this could catch fire because your beam is a lot thicker. These are vector cuts, and you can see how the vector's thicker, but also it's good. It could damage your parts that fall out. So I just made this box, and I cut out these shapes. I've got them taped in. I'm using a magnet, and on this new box I put slots in the front and the back to let the smoke get away, and it worked great. I inserted some rare earth magnets, and so in the drawing there's 2 holes for rare earth magnets. You will need to change those for your magnets. You don't really need the magnets if you're doing plywood, but if you're doing something like mother of pearl, you need something to hold it in place, and the magnets work through the plywood. There's the big magnet holding it down. Because you're vector cutting and you're using air assist, and it could blow away a little bit, but on mother of pearl it definitely could. But the pieces fall to the bottom. It did still have some scorching at the very bottom, but really light. And I just thought I'd add this picture. This is how I sand those products, those pieces. They're so small you couldn't hold them, but if you put them back in there and put a piece of blue tape or masking tape, it'll hold it in there. So this box is 4 inches tall, so it's going to have less scorching, which I think is going to be plenty. It's just those few pieces that are going to fall at the bottom and get a little bit scorched, but it easily sand off. It's not going to damage. So this is the front side. This is the back side that's going to encompass this joint, and then this is the bottom, and these are your 2 sides. And so there's that board hanging off the edge that's going to hold the magnets. And you could draw this yourself and make any size you want. Mother of pearl, I might even actually have to put a little bridge in here to so it won't fall. But it's a pretty cool box if you do cutting of little bitty small parts that could possibly fall through your vector bed. And not only does it help you not fall through your vector bed, you're not going to get any flashback on the bottom side because there's nothing in there. There's just, once it cuts, it falls straight through. So it's a 2-folded, great little box to cut small pieces out. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.